Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Annie ma'am. Today, I'd like to congratulate firstly everyone else who qualified for PhD, NET, or JRF, and thank you everyone for congratulating me. Well, in this video, I'd like to discuss my preparation process and how Annie ma'am helped me in this process, and also all you my classmates. So, how do I feel after qualifying? Relieved. I'm feeling relieved and also happy that finally it's over, all the headaches and preparation. What inspired me to pursue this exam? Arts is not something people in my area take it seriously or even appreciate it, but I did. And during my bachelor years, COVID struck, and then again people wanted me to do some vocational course, but I was not interested. I mean, I tried, but I was not interested. In my final years, my father died, so it became more important for me to hold on to what I wanted rather than what people wanted. So this is what motivated me throughout the journey. And also when I was attending Animan's classes and all of you were discussing your own problems, like many of you are married, they have children, and you have jobs and all, but I don't have any job right now and I'm not even married. So I thought I have more time, so I should work harder and just now, how did I balance my preparations with other responsibilities? Well, I was sick, as I must have told many people that I was sick throughout this process. I mean, since February, maybe even before that. So I had less responsibilities, but my body was not cooperating well. I couldn't even sit for longer periods, and hence I wasn't even going out of the house much. But listening to again all of you people responsibilities, it motivated me to do better. And my family members, especially my mother and sister, helped me. They brought me tea. What would you advise for future aspirants preparing for this exam? Well, first I would like to tell you that if you are going just for NET, it is possible within 5 to 6 months if you are working harder. But if you are going for JRF, then you need to have clear concepts and your own notes. Ma'am is teaching everything. You need to have your own notes, because then it will be in your mind and you will know that where certain words or certain author is or what they're thinking or something. Now about key realization during this whole process, remember when Annie ma'am gave us a whole chart regarding authors, revision chart in June. So I prepared according to that in a separate copy from Morality Times to Postmodernism, and I also tried to write the authors in chronology and their works, which helped a lot. And so I cleared NET in June attempt, but in the next attempt I revised the same notes twice, and attempted PYQs and all. So all of that helped a lot. And one more thing Annie ma'am told us about, to see the syllabus of Central University, but I tried, but I saw the CEC. Remember, where, in paper 1 also we learned about this CEC MA syllabus. So I kind of saw the summary of whatever syllabus they have given and some FAQs of that. So it helped, not because the same thing came, but some authors which I wouldn't have studied that deeply. So those authors and their work came. So it helped to eliminate things. Even if you don't know what the answer is, the exact answer, but you can eliminate things. So that helped a lot too. And yeah. Now about how I cracked JRF. Well, revise, and also don't leave literary theory and all the other units which people like leave it for the end. You revise it in the beginning, then the main thing, and again those short units. And also try to make your notes in chronological order, because chronology based questions are more nowadays. And also paper 1, I don't think we need to talk about paper 1, but again you revise the PYQs and how they are making the questions. You try to find explanation. If your answer is wrong, then you try to find explanation how they have made the question and what they are trying to ask. And don't leave any theories and all. And we have notes about all of that too. And if you are not able to follow through the revision process, but you need to have all of it in written in your notes, even if you are not able to कि क्लास में सब आगे निकल गए, हम लोग पीछे रह गए, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. आप अपने नोट से पढ़ते रहिए और PYQs लगाते रहिए और फिर हो जाएगा, इसे ही हो जाएगा इसे ही. So thank you Annie ma'am and all the students who interacted with me and motivated me. So thank you.